Hey, Roger Martin here from Billings, Montana. I can't even tell you how many people have become leaders through MLSP. Ray Higdon is one. I should know her name. This gal's been around here for a long time. This guy has been too. Some of these people have been around for a long time and done great things. This gal is too. Should know these guys by name. Uh, Brian, of course, been around. This guy's been around. Some of these people have been around quite a while and have made a lot of money. And this gal here too. Some of these people have been around a long time. And I can't even think of their names, but there are at least a half a dozen to a dozen people on this post board that shows you that MLSP has done its work. Um, so think about what systems, what teams, what people have produced and made with this system, MLSP. It's been around a long time, 12 years or thereabouts, and it has proven itself again and again. Again, this is Roger Martin from Billings, Montana. Just a short clip. I'll give you my link in here to get started in this. There's so much to learn and do. It's just mind-blowing. And if you get serious about it, and if you have the relationships and the connections, and even if you don't, you can build those on Facebook and other social areas. And the training here and the system here is incredible. My Lead System Pro. Well, you just can't beat it. Not for that price. You can come in free or a dollar and get an affiliate link. And nowhere else do you get the opportunity and the training and the specific systems that this offers you for what, a dollar? You just can't beat it. You just can't beat it. And I think it's $49 a month or after to stay active in it. You just can't beat it. It's My Lead System Pro. I'll give you the link below the text on this video. I shoot videos on everything I do or learn. And there's so much going on nowadays with COVID-19. You really need a team and a system and a group to learn what's going on to really reach your full potential. Again, this is Roger Martin from Billings, Montana. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I know it's got a lot of political stuff on it, but it also has a lot of great stuff with My Lead System Pro and the health company I'm promoting. That's the two things I'm promoting. I'm not getting into anything else. I frankly don't have time to fully get into anything else. So though that's the two things. That's it. Then there's Roger Mark from Billings, Montana. Take a look at those links. Get into my YouTube channel. Get into my Facebook channel. And let's meet and talk on Facebook. And let's do the things we need to do to move one another ahead. The great thing about My Lead System Pro is it doesn't matter what company you're in, you can help build your business, whether it's an affiliate or some other business, with My Lead System Pro. That's the great thing. And it's a great system and a great tools and great people behind it that have been proven over the years. So use it. And you can make money with it as well as your main offer. And it will get into videos showing you how it will help you brand you. All these people have branded themselves with My Lead System Pro, and that's so important. They've built lists, they've built leadership, they've branded themselves. They've made some good money with My Lead System Pro and its training and its systems. And that's as good as I can say about this company. My name is Roger Martin from Billings, Montana. Get in and look at the text, My Lead System Pro. Join my YouTube group. Get on Facebook, and let's help build and train your team and your business. Make the money you want from home. Good day.